Oh, I got another strike.
What?
I can see him right there.
I know, there's one right here.
No, that one was a largemouth. This one's a striper though.
Got, oh.
He had it?
He took it, yeah. He's coming after it. He wants it. Yeah, he's sitting right there. I can see him. Oh, he took off. Oh, yeah, he went right after it though. Looks like the way it's staying just in front of us, huh?
Yeah.
It's just like that. Oh no, look at that.
Whoa. Oh, it's a big one. Throw it again. There might be one behind him.
Where?
Right where I hooked mine.
Where'd you throw it?
I just threw it in the middle. Hey, that's a big one right there. That's 20.
That was a good damn. That motherfucker's nice.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a fat one too. Hey, Lawrence. Pull it up to the main street.
What?
Pull it up all the way to the road.
Yeah, I'll take that.
What is it, 20?
Yeah. About 20 and a half almost.
Yeah, right. What is it, like 19?
Fucking meters?
It's 19 inches.
Hell no.
Yeah.
No, the bottom of his tail goes just to 20. Eat that, motherfucker. Get your ass over here then.
Wow, beat that one, Lawrence.
Huh? I need some pliers, fool. Come on, we're on the school.
Alright, I'll get mine out first. You got one?
Yeah.
Get one?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Put your drag on.
You make it tighter or looser?
Looser.
Does it make it tighter?
Yeah, earlier when you're gonna hook set them. And he gets away. That's good. Not a keeper? Yeah, that's a keeper. That looks like 20 right there.
What?
That looks like a 20.
Nah.
Oh no.
Uh-uh.
What? Hey, do you have my pliers?
What?
Do you have my pliers?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Nah, that's small.
I think it's a good one right here. I think I got a good one right here. Yeah. Yeah, he's a good one. This guy's like 19 inches. Nah, mine's way bigger. Yeah, he's about 19. Yeah, look, it's a pretty good one. No, it's a big one right here. It's a big one. Woo. Woo! This is a big one right here, Lawrence.
Damn, dude, another one.
Yeah.